Hi, Jenny here. The kids are almost all out of school for the summer now, and it's always nice to have healthy snacks in the house for them. Although fruit is nice to eat by itself, it's always a little bit more fun to have a fruit dip. So today we are going to make a cream cheese and yogurt fruit dip. Let's get started. For this recipe, you are going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese, room temperature, 6 ounces of plain yogurt, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. We will first cream the cream cheese for about 3 minutes, and then we'll basically just add in all the rest of the ingredients and mix it up well. Alrighty, now that that's nicely all creamed up, we will add our extra ingredients. So we needed 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I had a little bit of the package that I needed to finish off. I almost had it all. So when you do the brown sugar, you want to make sure that it's packed brown sugar, so it needs to be packed inside the cup. I usually like to do it inside the bag, kind of save my hands from getting a little bit sticky. And then we wanted a teaspoon of vanilla. Measure out 6 ounces of yogurt. You can buy, if you buy the little containers, they're usually about 6 ounces. But I wanted to buy a big container so I could have leftovers, so I can eat that for breakfast. I like to mix mine nuts and fruit in there. And we'll just measure out 6 ounces. On your measuring cup, it has the 8 ounces as 1 cup. And then it's got the other ounces on there. Instead, a tablespoon or 2 of milk. We'll start with 1, and we'll see how liquidy that is, watery it is, or if we need another one or not. I felt that the mixture was liquidy enough. It's kind of like a yogurt mixture actually. It's pretty liquidy, so I did not add another tablespoon of milk. That should be fine. So now you just want to put it in a container and put it in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve it. Alrighty, the cream cheese and yogurt dip is done. This one does have more of a yogurt consistency to it. There are some other ones, like I just made one the other day that had Cool Whip and marshmallow fluff, so that was a little bit thicker. So just depending on what you like. I like to eat yogurt and fruit for breakfast in the morning anyway, so this way you can just have it as a little snack. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will put the recipe for this down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you like to eat fruit dip and what your favorite kind is. I'm going to enjoy my snack. You guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye! Let's try some cantaloupe. Oh yeah, oh, it's good.